Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your debit card on the Halifax Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in halifax.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Halifax website. Now, right from the homepage, you can proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials. You can also click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then hover over to borrowing. From the borrowing section, you can simply click on credit cards, which will take you into the credit card page. Now you can use the same credit card activation option to activate your debit card as well. So click on activate your card and now you have various different options to activate it. You can either use the mobile bank app within which you are shown the guide that you can follow in order to activate it. However, you can also choose the online form guide. Go ahead and click on this and then click on activate your card. This will now take you into the card activation page, from which you will simply need to enter your debit card number followed by your date of birth and then the expiration date card. Once you enter all of these information, click on the activate button and your debit card will immediately be activated. And now you can start making various different payments using this debit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your debit card on the Halifax Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.